Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake crust, updated. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a pan while you gather crumbs, butter, sugar, and salt. Pulse crumbs with sugar until fine, then mix with melted butter until texture resembles wet sand. Press evenly into pan using a flat-bottomed cup and chill for 10 minutes before blind baking to set the base and avoid a soggy center. Then let it cool. Choosing the right ingredients matters for a sturdy crust and great flavor. Use finely crushed crackers and 1.5 cups for a 9-inch pan. Measure 6 tablespoons melted butter and 2 tablespoons sugar exactly, and salt to taste. Mix until crumbs hold together when squeezed, then press evenly and bake briefly or chill as your recipe directs to create a firm, flavorful foundation. This step prevents soggy filling. Pressing and baking techniques make or break the crust texture. Use a flat-bottomed cup or tamper for even pressure and compact crumbs firmly. Blind bake if recipe calls for a denser base, watching closely to avoid overbrowning. For no-bake cheesecakes, chill the crust thoroughly to set. Try adding a teaspoon of cinnamon or cocoa for flavor twists, keeping balance so the filling still shines. These small steps yield a clean slice every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.